Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Bitcoin halving clock. So, there you go, 28 days, 6 hours, 17 minutes, 15, 14, 13 seconds. Yeah, so that's one event that we're all waiting for. Now, let's go and check out the fear and greed. We are at 73. We finally had the dump that I was waiting for. And yeah, I did very nice. Happy, yeah, shopping was amazing. And this time, I guess every time it happens now, I'm getting better and better. Yeah, I really embrace this deep, and well, I'm guessing. I guess I'm having and developing a BDD, FOMO, by the deep, fear of missing out. So I'm kind of the opposite. It's not when it's skyrocketing that I fear I'm missing out. It's when it's actually dipping and I'm not buying enough. So that's my problem now. Today, yesterday we had the FOMC meeting. No surprise, no increase in interest rate. And let's go and check the bubbles. Today, internet or computer a little bit slow. I think I need to change computer now. And internet was supposed to be upgraded, and it is upgraded. So I don't know what's working out with that. I don't know what's happening here. There you go. It's waking up. So today we're having a nice green day, and how I was saying, yeah, I'm kind of partially scaling out from the Bitcoin and scaling in altcoin. The reason is I'm still expecting another, hopefully anyway, another dip, a deeper one. Now you can see that we're getting away from the altcoin season, so that's unfortunate, but I'm preparing. I am accumulating altcoins at what I think very nice levels, and you can see that my alarms are going crazy. I do have a lot of alarms. It's very neat. This trading view, I know, sometimes, I know it's not cheap, I would say, but if you wait for a Black Friday, it's like so amazing. It's the one of the best. If I need to give one only financial advice, is get TradingView plan on Thanksgiving. That's the best expense you can do for your for finance, because it can change your life. So now I'm going to go. I actually did one sector here. So let's talk about that. So we have USD Ethereum. Now you can see we had the pullback. Now we have a kind of revival. There you go, my alarms. And also I put so many that when you put an alarm, you can put also a timer or a deadline, and I failed to do that properly. I think that by default they last 1 month, and some they were just short-term alarms, like I was doing scalping, and then I forgot, and now I need to go and do a clean up on my alarms. Anyway, so we do have this Ethereum that it did bounce back every time, or most of the time when Ethereum move a lot. We're going to have Matic, Arbitrum, Lido, and Optimism. So just to see if it is true, let me take from the dip to the current price. So Ethereum is up 15%. Now I did get some Lido 2 days ago. Let's see here. So we do have 20%. Optimism, I think the Optimism didn't move as much. And honestly, every time I take something, let's say one day I take, when it's deep, I buy Optimism, but then it's Lido that really outperform. And then the other time I take Lido, and then it's Arbitrum that outperform. So somehow I never take the winning horse. So you can see that, let me do the last one, Matic. I think I should have gone a little bit lower for that one. So the one who didn't move as much is Matic. So you can see we did barely 9%, Arbitrum 20%, Lido 21%, Optimism 15%, and yeah, once again, it was 15%. So just to give you an idea, if you want to accumulate some coins and don't necessarily want to go with Ethereum, if you're expecting a recovery on price, then you can choose one of those four. Bitcoin is the same, but with stacks. So let me do the same thing I did. So now Bitcoin, it's up 10.66%, and then here, this is amazing. This is the first time I do it. I always saw it. I knew he was doing it, but I never went for it. Now I went, I look at that, 37%. I'm so happy with this trade. More likely now I'm going to take a partial profit. And what is the reason? I think this is not the good chart. There you go, it's not. You go on this one here. Need to go on the 1 hour. Now hopefully it's not too messy for you guys. Okay, so I think I did the race. Okay, so this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this complete the wave C. Now we almost reached also the 1-to-1 ratio wave A. I added to the end of the wave B, and the 1-to-1 ratio 159,808, and we stopped at 60,800, so we're short $1,000. Now, is this finished? I don't think so. So where are we going to go from there? So let me see here. I think I already did it here, did I? Yeah. Okay, so let me take the brush now. So I believe this is the wave A. Now we're going to do the wave B, and eventually we're going to do the wave C. More likely the MA is going to go like this, and we are going to ideally go and meet up with the MA50. All right, so now if this is the wave A and I calculated wave B, you can see that yeah, wave B already reached the 0.3 and the 0.5 and actually start to react here as a support. Now it's becoming a resistance. Let me move that a little bit around so we can see clearly. And this could be just the A within the wave B, okay? So we said this is the wave B, okay? Wave B now is going to have 3 waves. You're going to have a wave A, which I believe we did. This is a wave B, maybe working on wave B, or maybe already finished. And we're going to have the wave C. So now ideal targets, actually there is no ideal. It's like anywhere between the 0.5 and the 0.7, a wave B more likely goes that. Also, wave B can go much higher. And so we're going to check out that eventually. For the moment, now this is kind of the thing we need to look for. Are we actually going to have a new lower low, a local lower low, or this is just the one and we're going to make a 2? Did I did that here? Yeah, exactly. So now it's like decision point. Either we do a 3-wave movement, so it's going to be an A, once again, a B, and a C. And after that, we are going to see price reacting to this level or this level. And after, we're going to start to pull back. Now, if we start to pull back, the first level we want to check, well, we're going to first of all count the wave, right? Because if we do have 3-wave up, and then after we start to make a new lower low, we're still not out of the woods, I would say, but it starts to, I would say, invalidate some other counts, because we still have this possibility of this is the 1 and this is the 2, right? But if we only have 3 waves, then it's yeah, start to invalidate that count, that we're not going to do 5 wave up and price is going to skyrocket and looking for reaching 70k or 80k or even 100k. So this is honestly one of the most important critical level that we need to check now, that's going to help us out to figure it out if we're going to do another pullback, a deeper one, or if we're going higher. So now, if we do 5 or 3 waves, that's going to help us to know, okay, we do 5 wave up, then we need to do 3 wave down, and we need to see price reacting to this level. If we do and price reverse, more likely we're going to go and make a new higher high. If price indeed goes lower and then it goes even lower than this movement here, then officially, we're going to make a lower low. And more likely, if we drop below 62,386, yeah, I was checking here, 200, almost, holy shit, I already did. No, it's missing 5k. Yeah, so if we go below this level, then discounts start to be unreliable, or more unreliable, or less reliable, and more likely we're going to go for a lower low. So now it's time to focus on your trading, your altcoins. If Bitcoin is going to drop, altcoins are going to suffer. Today, look, it's kind of going on a side, or it lost, what? Let me go and check it out. So from the top to current price, I mean, we lost 1.65, and then everybody's freaking out. It's red, like a render, minus 5%. So you don't want to give up these winning or profits. So do what you need to do. I don't want to say it, but I'm going to say it again. Sell stop limit, protect your gains. And if we go lower, well, nice time to cash in, take back your profits and partial of your capital. You can let ride some, but if you do have that pullback, then you have cash flow to jump on the nice sales that's going to happen. Now, I know the fear is like, what happens if we do have 5 waves and it start to go and skyrocket? Okay, but no worry. We always do pretty much a 3 wave down pullback. So there is always a way to scale back in. So I know it's always the dilemma. Should I take profits? But then what happens if it skyrocket? The answer to that is like partial profits taking, partially scaling out, taking back your profits. And then if it goes lower, good for you, good for us. If it doesn't, well, we scale back a little bit higher. That's it. Not like me. Anyway, maybe if we sell 10 or 20% off for altcoin or crypto, then 80% we're still in, and we will do the ride with the price if it start to skyrocket, and then we jump back in on a pullback. So no worry. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to emphasize on, because the focus now should be on Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, everybody's affected, so depending on the mood of Bitcoin. And once again, I was very happy with my shopping. And yes, how do I do it? Anything more than 10% drop, for me, it's a buy. So I kind of look forward for some specific coins that I'm looking, that I find I don't have enough, or I don't have at all. So I do my list, and then I actually token to increase. I said to increase my position. So these are the coins that I checked. Let's say I did got some swing, and I thought it was pricey. I want 50, but now look at that, 20%. Very happy. Actually, I'm going to do a video. I don't know, today or tomorrow. It looks like there are some free airdrop that if you do some specific task, you qualify for airdrop. So I'm going to try to do that and maybe make videos and share with you guys. So how do I do it? I put all the coins that I want. Well, the one I want, really, I put in double. No, I'm joking. I don't know why there are two. Let's see that one. Okay, this one can go. Okay, so I put all my, seriously, as you can see, I really wanted injective. I barely have. And when it's a red day, I just click on this one and I go for the biggest one, and the top 3, 4, if they are dropping more than 10%, then it's a go. Well, clearly now, you know, for sure you do combine that with the price action of Bitcoin. And yeah, I wouldn't buy now because I'm expecting a deeper pullback for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is all for today, for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Hopefully you know, it was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.